Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2015 Mathematics Past Question 33. If y is equals to x squared minus 3x plus 4, find the y dx at x is equals to 5. Now, the first thing we need to do is to differentiate y with respect to x. Then what? Find y using what? Using x is equals to 5. So, we're given y is equals to x squared minus 3x plus 4. Now the y dx is equals to x squared. So x squared now will give us 2x, then minus 3x will give us what? 3. Then because 4 here is a constant, that will be 0. So the y dx is equals to 2x minus 3. Remember, the y dx is giving us, when you have x raised to the power of n, that will be giving us n x raised to the power of n minus 1. So that was what we did here. So that's 2x raised to the power of 2 minus 1, and that gives us 2x. Same thing too here, we have 3. But because this is a constant, it gave us 0. So now when x equals to 5, we'll have 2 into 5, which is x, minus 3, and that is equals to 10 minus 3, which is equals to 7. So the answer to this question is option C, 7. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.